Hey everyone, Franco here with WizDefine. Today we're doing a really quick video on a super practical trick, how to quickly clear numeric input from your spreadsheets. Now, why bother learning this? It's because when you're managing large data sets and running what-if scenarios, just like I'm going to show you in a little bit, every second matters, especially if you frequently have to reset models for fresh calculations. So stick around and I'll show you how to free up yourself so you can work smarter and not harder. Okay, so now if you're looking at my screen, you should see a data set wherein I have assumptions that's already filled out quite nicely for us and an income statement. You'll see that this income statement is actually pretty dynamic. So that's something that's really cool. I just change the scenario and the figures change as well. But what if I have to redo all of these numbers, right? Now, the thing is, what I want to do here is I want to keep just my formulas and I want to keep my text in all of my formats as well. I don't want to start from zero. I just want to plug in different numbers. All right. So as you can see here, I have formulas and I just need to change the figures up here. So how do I do that really quick? Here we have a few tables, but imagine if you had a lot more assumptions to plug into your models, right? We're speaking about hundreds and thousands of rows of data, maybe? Hopefully not. But in case you do have to deal with that data, here's a really quick way to isolate all of the numbers and delete them without wasting any time. So all you have to do is either press F5 or Ctrl plus G, right? It depends on your preference. Now, just press one of those and this pop-up menu should appear. So the trick here is to click on Special. And then if you just want to take on numbers, right, you can take formulas with numbers, or you could click on constants. And constants are those static numbers or figures that we plug in, right? Those that aren't a part of formulas. So we actually just isolate the numbers here. And once I press OK, they'll all be selected. And now I can simply click delete. All right. And I can just plug in my numbers as I need. So that is actually it. Really quick video and a really practical tip on how to isolate numbers and do whatever you want with them. So if I didn't want to delete them, I could have just entered a formula as well. I want all of them to be equal to 50. That would be weird, but just in case you needed it, you can also do stuff like that. That's all there is to it. By mastering this quick, clear method, you can reset spreadsheets in record time. So this is perfect for dynamic models and recurring reports. If today's tip helped streamline your workflow, tap that like button and subscribe for more time-saving Excel hacks. If you've got questions, or maybe you want to share your own data clearing tricks, drop them in the comments and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, keep refining those workbooks and stay efficient. Have a great day.